Yes, hello everyone, good morning. Myself Swati Pawar. Welcome you all the learners on this beautiful platform called Unacademy. That is the India's one of the largest online learning platform. Yes, so happy to see you all here. And we are back with some another topic. Previously we have already covered few topics like genetic problems. We have discussed the MCQs. We have also discussed few things like the topic on apart from genetics, working of heart. And today we are on the new topic called human reproduction. Basically the MCQs, how you need to solve on human reproduction, students. Yes, so we are going to start with this another high weightage topic of the 12th standard, which helps all the learners to crack the NEET or CET. And this topic is very beneficial for everybody, right from the course, not only from the course relevance, but it is something related with the life which you should aware, because we the mammals, we show the reproduction process, right? So this topic is basically not constraint only for your syllabus, but it is something you can take the knowledge regarding to our body, right? So very again interesting topic. We are not going to discuss the whole topic, as this topic is too huge to understand, so that we will be taking up on our platform, Unacademy platform, that is in our batch and plus courses. But here in short I'll be telling you some important things which covers this human reproduction and how you need to prepare systematically for this topic, because as the topic is huge, there is a very need of comprehensive understanding of this topic, right, learners? So whenever you need to crack any exams, you don't have to just keep on solving the MCQs, as I say always, right? You need to keep up reading the NCERT books, reading the state board books, then removing out or sorting out the important concepts which are matching with each other from the extra point of view, common level exams. Like you need to prepare that syllabus accordingly, right, students? So it is very important. So I'll be guiding you about everything on our platform. Yes, so basically I like to tell you that right now, stay home, stay safe in this pandemic situation, and we are there to cover up your losses of the studies, that is to overcome the educational needs, all the educators on Unacademy learning platform. Yes, so you can join us there, you can get the detailed studies. So we are shortly I'll just tell you the subscription. Apart from this, we are going to we have already started rather, and we are going to start some new courses also on on our Unacademy. So that will be very beneficial for you, because the learners who are going to appear the entrance exam in 2021 or 22, so there is a complete coverage of the syllabus from that point of view as well on our platform, right? So we are not going to take only MCQs, we are not going to prepare the children with only MCQ students, right? So we are going to do many things there. Like I will be teaching you all the detailed studies, concepts, detail first, and then we will be taking mega quiz, week quizzes, doubt solving sessions, test series. So everything we are going to take, students, right? So we are getting the learners coming up, right? So we are getting many new students which will be coming up and joining us, right? So we will start the session. Before that, I'll just like to tell you, students, about something called plus subscription. Yeah, so this is nothing but today is our last day to learners, so you can enroll yourself. Yes, so you can enroll yourself today, and our course is at 3,000, which you get only in 3,000, you can say. Yes, so this is 3,000 you can get only at 799, students. Yes, okay, so this is the only you have to 799, you are just going to get the whole course of PCMB for complete 1 month. So all the details are given in the description box. You can go through the description box, you can read everything. Links are shared with you of particular courses, right? So you can go and take the subscriptions. You can follow us on Unacademy online platform. The new learners, it is very important for you to understand that you need to go in the Play Store. You have to download the app, Unacademy learning app. You have to follow us under MHT CET goal. Yes, and you will start getting the notifications and updates of all our lectures which we are placing there, right? So hope we'll be happy to see you all and start your journey of learning with us on Unacademy online learning platform. Yes, so today is the last date for you to enroll on this various courses like plus course, batch course, special courses. So you can join us first for special course, right? These are the free courses which you know rather. Yeah, so these are the free courses which you can join us there, and after that you can take the subscriptions also, or directly the learners who are aware about the educators, you can directly enroll with us. This is my referral code Swati Pawar 4757 on Unacademy. Yes, so you can put this referral code in the box and you can get the subscription just at $7.99. So all the other what you say information is already given in your description box, so you can go. I'll not waste much more time on this. So this is something you know, so you can just download the app from the Play Store and you can go for the subscription, and you can join us for various courses like special course, batch course, plus course, and many. If we are coming up with new courses, we will be updating you. So one more thing very important I like to share with you students, that is about, yes, welcome everybody, good morning to all the students who are getting joined. Yes, so this is something what you can see my ID on Telegram, that is biology_Swati Pawar special course. This is students, this is for all the new learners who are going to join us. Yes, so this is the special course. The learners who are going to attend our free classes, and then they are going to take the subscriptions. So all the new learners can join or can get connected with us on Telegram, and this is my you can see a link which you can type in the search on Telegram. Just download the Telegram if you don't have from Google Store, Play Store that is, and you can follow me here, or you can join this group so that you will get all the updates of my upcoming sessions. Yes, and this is my referral code for your subscription. So this is something about me on Unacademy online learning platform. Yes, Triveni, welcome. Yes, good morning. Students are getting joined. Yes, hello, good morning, beta. Yeah, welcome you all new learners. Yes, so happy to see you all. So we are going to start our session. Yes, so many students are going to get joined one by one, so we are waiting for them, so nobody should miss the session. Yeah, so this is everything related to my information, that is. So we are going to start a very important topic called human reproduction. So MCQs, basically students, when you go for this topic, it is a huge topic, so divide the topic and try to sort out the MCQs on that sessions. So quickly I'll tell you a chart how you I'll explain you how you need to I'll take 5 to 10 minutes to explain this. So what you need to do is, students, you simply segregate the things in the human reproduction chapter. Yes, the first one is the introduction part. Then sequentially you go for the human reproductive system, that is male reproductive system, female reproductive system, that is externally you study the structures of male and female. Systematically you go to solve the questions on the another set called TS of testes and TS of ovaries. Yes, that is the transverse sections when you take of the male reproductive system and female reproductive system. Then sequentially when you solve the questions on this, you sequentially go for the formation of the gamete, students, that is oogenesis and spermatogenesis, that is gametogenesis in short we say, because to undergo the reproduction process we need to form the gametes first. So where the gametes are, first step is formation of gametes, that is gametogenesis, that is for male we say spermatogenesis, for female we say oogenesis, right students? Yes. Then systematically you go where actually this take place, that is for male it take place in the testes, for the female it take place inside the ovary. Systematically when you go further, you study the external features of the male and female reproductive system, how the penis or how the vagina, the structures is there, right? So this is the one content which you will finish. Then when you go further, next there are many more new things like after fertilization, how is the formation of embryo, then how is the implantation of this embryo in the uterus, right? So this is the another part which you will study systematically, development of embryo in the uterus or in the mother's womb. Then systematically you will study about the parturition, that is the baby when it takes birth, right? Baby is going to take a birth in this beautiful world, so that is called parturition. So how the process of parturition take place, meaning which are the hormones that intimates or that gives the signals to the mother body and from the child pituitary gland that now baby is ready to come out. So systematically we are going to study that in our special in our batch courses. And systematically you come to the reproductive health, students. Yes, so reproductive health is nothing but which is a last part of the topic where you study how you can control the birth, students. Yes, birth control, how it take place, like what are the various sources of the birth controlling. Apart from that, you can see that removal of the uterus is there, removal of the testis is there. Yes, so that is another part you can see study. Then apart from that, you have various procedures called ZIFT, you have GIFT, and you have IVF. These are the extra procedures, the one who cannot conceive the baby. So these are the various parts of this human reproduction, students, which, so don't get jumbled up whenever you are preparing for the high weightage topic, which is lengthy, in short I can say. So you need to split that topic, right? So as I said, you make this topic separately and practice the MCQs on this, and I am sure you're not going to lose your marks anywhere, right? So we'll start with the session. So this is something I have put it like a few diagrams here, correct, students? Like you can see there is a menstrual cycle, or this is the TS of ovary, which you can see. Yeah, everybody is visible? Yes, students, can everybody see? Yes. So this is something called as, yeah, so my students are getting in one by one. So this is something TS of ovary, how the transverse sections of ovary looks like. And this is the mature structure of ovum. Whenever from the ovary, the ovum or egg is going to get mature and come out of the ovary for fertilization process, that is called a structure of ovum, students. Yes, so this is the structure of ovum you can see here. This is the mature egg or mature ovum which is ready to come out of the ovary and is ready for getting fertilized by the sperm. Yes, so this is what you can see. This is something called as testes, like this is the male reproductive part which produces sperms. So this is the testes, like ovary produces egg, testes produces sperm, right, students? So inside this testes, you can see the sperms are going to get produce. So these are the what you can say structures inside the testes, which are called as seminiferous tubule or seminiferous tubules. So you have number of tubules. Yes, good morning, students, welcome. More and more students are getting in, so we are going to start with the session now. So I have just told you about how to start with the topic, so you can listen to my recordings later, everybody, those who have missed. Yes, my students are yes, it's okay, you also can participate, though few topics are related to the life, you can say. Yes, so you can yes, you can participate, no worry, because we are living organisms, students. So this is something related with us. So don't study only for the biosec or for the physics or chem sec. Study according to a life we are surviving on this earth, right? So everybody is having the yes yeah, so everybody is having that right to understand the features about us, how our body functions. So no matter if you are bio student, not bio student, at least you can take a knowledge about your life. Great. And I will be happy to see you all on Unacademy platform to take much knowledge in depth. Yes, so this is something ovary, ovum, testes. Inside testes you can see sperms are going to produce. Now I haven't mentioned like I have not drawn a structure of sperm, but you can see there is a head region, then there is a neck region, then the neck region will give rise to a what you can say middle piece, and middle piece can primarily give rise to the tail or flagella, you can say. So this is a basic structure of the sperm, which is containing the head region, and it is also having sperm is also having an outer layer called as plasma membrane. So this is something and structure of sperm, right, where you can see the acrosome. Yes, here you can see mitochondria, and you can see the tail region, students. Yes, which we call it as flagella. Yeah, you know, so many basic things you know actually, but many new. Yes, I am getting my students in. Yes, acrosome. Yes, to gain knowledge is the best you can take. Yes, great. So this is something a sperm, and this is something an ovum, right? This is a ovum structure, and what I draw just now was a sperm structure, students, correct? So this is the sperm structure, and this is the ovum structure, which you can see on the screen. So these are the basically male gametes and female gametes respectively. This is female gamete rather, and sperm is male gametes. Yes, so we need these gametes for fertilization process, and then only we will get a new offspring, or you can say evolution take place. Yes, with some variation. So we have already covered this in genetic. Great, students. So this is all the important things which you know. So we will start with the session. Yeah, so I'll go for the MCQs, students. Yes, so as we go on MCQs, I'll keep on telling much more important what you say. I will just explaining you many more concepts coming up. Yes, so everybody is going to participate and everybody is going to give me the answer. So I'll just start with the first question. Where does ovum receive the sperm, students? Quickly, chalo, fast. Where does the ovum receive the sperm? So you just I'll just give you the slide if you want. Wait, yes, yeah. So it takes time to load on intercom. Yeah, so it is on internet, so we will take a bit second for yes, now you can see the structure. See, students, yes, so you can see the structure of ovum. So from which region the sperm is going to enter inside the ovum, students? Yes, so everybody is going to participate and I'll give you the explanation and information about the same. Yes, now my students have started answering me. Yes, and the correct answer is, quickly, yes, I'll give you 10 seconds or 15 seconds, how much seconds you want, you can take. The students who have joined me, yes, and the right answer is, students, animal pole. Yes, great. So this is a ovum. Yes, so ovum is going to have a layer called as vitelline membrane. The vitelline membrane is going to have another cellular or non-cellular membrane. Non-cellular, this is rather non-cellular, others are cellular, which is called as zona pellucida, students. This is the structure of ovum which you can see. Yes, and again the external structure you can see, that is, you can see some radiations coming outside the zona pellucida, and this is said to be, students, corona radiata. Okay, so corona is very famous right now, I can understand, but the name is corona radiata, students, right? So this is something like radiations coming out from the surface of the outer layer. So inner one is the matured egg, that is ovum. Outer to that we have vitelline membrane. Yes, then after vitelline membrane, external we have zona pellucida, that is, and after zona pellucida we are having corona radiata, students, right? So animal pole is the one inside the egg where the nucleus is present, students, and nucleus is nothing but what, students? Yes, it is going to carry genetic material. Yes, so this egg and sperm are going to fuse, that is, they are going to bring up fertilization process. So for fertilization, male and female gamete nucleus is very important, nucleus of male and female gamete, because that is the organelle which contains the genetic material. So when the fertilization takes place, the crossing over is going to take place, meiosis 2 is going to take place, and you are going to get a new offspring which will be having the characteristic features coming from both father and mother, students, and little bit variations we can see, right? So that is the new zygote which is formed with diploid condition, that is 46 chromosome, 23 coming from father, 23 coming from mother, haploid sites makes the zygote diploid. Yes, students, yes, great, everybody is clear with the explanation. So the region where the nucleus is present inside the ovum or egg, that region we can explain it as with the different color. Yes, I'll use some different color. So do I have different color? I don't have much here option. Okay, no worry. Okay, so whatever the what I said, the egg, wherever it is going to have the nucleus, students, genetic material main, that region is going to be termed as animal pole, students, and the region inside the egg where nothing is going to be nothing you will find, that is called as vegetal pole. So once the sperm enters the female genital tract, and when this ovum is sitting in the ampulla of the you can say fallopian tube, so this sperm is going to enter from the animal pole, students. So the right answer is animal pole. Yes, so we'll go for the next question. Everybody, umbilical cord contains what, students? This is very common, which you know. Umbilical cord is something related with the newborn baby or the baby which is going to get to take birth, right? So what is umbilical cord? Quickly, everybody will start answering me in the comment box. Yes, I am waiting for everybody to answer. So umbilical cord contains what, students? Yes, so this is something general knowledge you can give me, because we see so many ads on TV, on television, that is regarding to the stem cells, right? So this is something related with umbilical cord contains what? Yes, quickly, learners, I can see many of the learners are giving the answers to me. Yes, yeah. Yeah, so quickly start giving me the answers. Yes, fast. Yeah, and I am getting the right answer. Yes, and the right answer is blood stem cells. Correct. Because the umbilical cord, when the doctor cuts it, that contains a lot of stem cells, and that blood with the stem cells can be preserved in the blood bank, because these stems are having a high power of divisions. Like they can act as a pluripotent stem cells, right? Meaning what, students? These stems are these are the special cells which are capable of giving rise to number of different type of forming number of different type of cells and tissues. So it is very helpful to cure number of diseases. So stem cell is very important. So the conservation or preservation of stem cells is very important in the blood bank, as it cures many hazardous disease. Yes, that is something related with the stem cells which we get from the umbilical cord of the fetus, right? Chalo, next we'll move to how does human sperm locomote, students? Quickly start giving me answers for the third question. I'm waiting. Yes, how does human sperm locomote? Quickly. Now I have just drawn the structure of the sperm. I have told you how is the structure of the sperm. Yes, so which structure in the sperm is useful for the sperm to locomote, or it can arrive till the female body, you can say, till the fallopian tube. Yes, it can make the journey till fallopian tube with the help of which locomotory organ, students? Yes, and many of my students are giving right answer. Correct, and it is flagella. Yes, students, I just now said there is an head region, there is a neck region. Yes, and there is a mitochondria coming up. Yes, and this mitochondria is also having a tail-like structure, right? So this tail-like structure is nothing but, students, what? Yes, it is a flagella. So this flagella is going to help to participate in the movement of the sperm from one region to the next. Yes, students? Yeah. Chalo. Another very important question, students. Come on. So cryptorchidism, quickly. What do you mean by cryptorchidism? Chalo, fast. Cryptorchidism is a condition where, quickly, I think you are aware about this. Yes, this is not. Yeah. Cryptorchidism is a condition where, students. Yes, quickly. Yes, good morning. Yeah, good morning, students. Happy to see you all. Yes, good morning. Yes, Avantika, these are the mixture questions. We have previous year questions and we have the latest upcoming questions too. Yes, we have the combination of all these stuffs. Yes. Yeah. Chalo. Yes, students, quickly answer. Cryptorchidism is a condition where dash. Everybody is going to participate to give the answers quickly. Yes. I can expect the answer from everybody. Yes. So fast, what is cryptorchidism? Cryptorchidism is a condition where, yes, many of the students are coming with the right answer. Yes, and the right answer is, see, if you know the concepts, it is very easy for you to understand the question and the option asked accordingly, right? So it is what? One or both testes fail to descend in the scrotum, meaning when the baby is in the mother's womb, male baby I am saying, right? So in the male, what happens? Primarily the scrotum is growing in the abdomen, and during the birth time the scrotum testis descends into the scrotum, right? So the scrotum is nothing a muscular sac-like structure in which the testis descends down during the birth. So if any child fails to show, or the male baby fails to show that descending part of the testis into the scrotum, that disease or that what you can say, the disorder is called as cryptorchidism, and it is treatable. It can be treated, right, students? Yes. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, chalo, we'll move to the next question. What is Bidder's canal? Now this is very important, something related with the NEET and CET, right? Yes, students. So everybody is going to tell me the right answer for this. Bidder's canal receives what? Quickly. So this is just a straight question. There is one important canal about which I will be teaching in detail in my batch course on Unacademy platform. So these are the all concepts I clear there, right? But if you know, try to just answer me. Bidder's canal receives dash. Yes, what the job is of Bidder's Canal? Quickly, students. Yes, I am getting my students in. Everybody is answering yes. Yeah, and the right answer is, students, yes, Bidder Canal is something related with the sperm, students. Meaning what? It is like it is going to receive the sperm. So it is the part of the female reproductive system, students, right? So it is related something with the egg, that is reproductive system, where it is going to accept the sperm. So about this structure and much more detail I'll be telling you in the later slide. Yes, so quickly we will be moving to the next question, that is, yes, hormone that is released from testes, and I'm sure everybody is aware about this. These are the basic things which you should understand, and then slowly the what do you say, the difficulty level increases, right? So you can answer yes, everybody. I am hoping everybody to answer. The hormone that is released from the testes is, quickly, yeah, yes, and everybody is participating. Yes, everybody, remaining students, I'm waiting for the answers. Yes, yes, so many students are coming up with the right answer, I can see here. Yes, and yes, shall I wait for the more students to answer it? Yeah, many of them have given the right answer. Yes, and that is testosterone. So this is the hormone which is secreted by the testes for the production of the sperms, students, right? So for the production of the sperms, testosterone is very important, and that is the male hormone which is secreted by the testes of the male reproductive system, students. Yes, yes, great. So shall we move to the next question? Yes, come on, we'll move to the next section. Acrosome is made up of, chalo, quickly, acrosome is made up of what, students? Come on, now you know acrosome. First of all, how you need to target the question or answer, students? Now identify the question first. They are asking you acrosome. So what is acrosome? It is related with what? Male or female? First you distinguish this, and then you discard the wrong options and you hit the right option. This is the way you go systematically to solve the MCQ questions, students. Yes, so don't take everything togetherly. First understand the question, then go and discard the wrong options and then hit the right option. Yes, I can see everybody. Yes, Omkesh, welcome everybody. Yes, new students are also, learners are going to join me. Yes, quickly. Yeah, yes, so few students are telling it is connected with the male reproductive system. Correct, it is the male reproductive system, students, right? So, but what is it? Chalo, first answer me. What? Acrosome is made up of what? Now, first level you have crossed. That is, you have identified it is related with something with the male gamete, right? That is male sperm. Now, go for the options. Acrosome, what is the job of the acrosomes in the male? Quickly. Yes, I'm waiting for the answer. Everybody to answer me. Yes, I'm waiting for all the learners to answer me. Yes, who can answer me? Let's see. So acrosome is made up of what things, students? Yes, 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 yeah, yes, it is the head part of the sperm, students, correct. But what is the right answer? What it contains, what it is made up of, or what is the content? Yes, it is present in the head region, correct. But now the question is, it is made up of what? Meaning it contains what? What is the important constituent present in the acrosome, students? Yes, so hit the right answer from the options given below. Yes, now you know it is the head of the sperm, correct. But what it contains inside that? Confused? Yes, yes. Shall I try it out, everybody? Yes, so I'll tell you the answer. Yes, and the right answer is digestive enzyme, students. And which is the digestive enzyme here? It is hyaluronic acid, students. Yes, this is a hyaluronic acid in presence of hyaluronidase enzyme. So hyaluronic acid, yaad aaya, something is you can remember. Yes, so this head region is having, yes, acrosome. Yes, and this is the hydrolytic enzyme or lytic enzyme, rather you can say. Hyaluronic acid is also called as lytic enzyme, students, right? So this is going to help to break the wall of the egg, students. So suppose this is the ovum and the sperm is traveling here to the ovum for fertilization. So the acrosome is going to secrete this lytic enzyme called hyaluronic acid. This acid is going to break the wall, that is via corona radiata. It is going to break zona pellucida and it will reach to vitelline membrane, students. Yes, so zona pellucida covering, which is the covering of the mature egg, that is going to get dissolved by this lytic enzyme called hyaluronic acid. So the answer is digestive enzyme, because the one which breaks or engulfs something, that is also called as digestive. So digestive is also known by other name lytic enzyme, and the most common lytic enzyme is hyaluronic acid, students. Yes, or you can say hyaluronidase enzyme, right, which is going to secrete this acid. Chalo, we'll quickly move to the next question. Yeah, chalo. The dash is a temporary organ that connects a mammalian mother to its fetus, students. Quickly. Yes. Come on, come up with the answers. Yes, I am waiting for the answers. Chalo, hit it, the right one. Now they are asking in the question, dash is temporary organ that connects a mammalian mother to its fetus. Like the baby which is growing in the womb, that is connected to the mother body by which part? Quickly. Yes, yes, students. Quickly. Yes. Other students to come up, other learners to come up with the answers. Yes, I am having so many. Yes, welcome Varsha. Yes, so many learners are getting joined in. Yeah, great. And the mammalian mother is connected to the fetus. Yes, by a temporary. Yes, yes, Anita, great. I am having my new, so many learners coming up with the right answer. And the right answer is placenta, students. Correct. The connection between the mother and the fetus before the birth of the fetus is called what, students? Placenta. This is very important. Via this, mother is going to exchange everything with the fetus. Maybe it is food, nutrients, exchange of gases, everything is going to take place via placenta. And even when the baby is ready to take the birth, even the pituitary gland of the baby or the fetus, that is baby, fetus, when it will come out, it is going to be termed as a baby, right? So first is the zygote stage, then embryo, then fetal stage, and then you can say a baby, right? So this chain goes on. So when the fetal stage, that fetal is, you can say it is matured after 9 months, the pituitary gland of the fetus will start secreting some important hormones which will go via placenta, and it will stimulate the pituitary gland of the mother, right? And the mother's body will get intimation, and the uterus will undergo contraction, so that baby is ready to come out. This is the procedure, and there the placenta plays a very important role. Yes, great. A is the answer. Correct. They go, see, confidence level is getting built up in my learners, and I am happy to see that. Chalo, next one. Dash is a lytic enzyme released by the sperm. Now this I have already told, but quickly come up with the answers. Which is the enzyme now, students? I have told you the acid name, but which is the enzyme? Yes, yes, quickly. Very important. I have given the questions from all the sections because this topic is huge. I can't take much in 1 hour, but I've tried my best to take all the important questions. So dash is the lytic enzyme released by the sperm. Yes, and the answer is great. Maximum students have given. Few more learners have to answer yet. Yes. My all students are getting in with the right answer, and that is hyaluronidase enzyme. But what is the reason, students, why this act as a lytic enzyme in the sperm? Reason: to dissolve the wall of egg. Dissolve the wall of egg or ovum, so that it can reach to the female nucleus for fertilization process. Right, students? Female nucleus. So that meiosis 2, which is arrested, will start after fertilization, because the gametes which are formed, they are stopped or they are arrested at meiosis 1. During fertilization, or once the fertilization takes place, meiosis 2 will start, where the crossing over of the genetic material will take place, and new combination will be seen in the upcoming offsprings. Great, students. Yes, we'll go for the next question. Which of the following depict the correct path of transport of sperms? Quickly, students, come on. Yes, students, which of the following depict the correct pathway of transport of sperm? Yes, to identify species of ovum is also the right answer. Yes, Anita, great. Yeah, that is another reason which we can say. Quickly, which of the following depict pathway of transport of sperms? Quick, students, you can come up with the answers. Yes, what is the correct sequence via which the sperms will come out of the testes? Yes. Yes, students, yes. And I can get the right answer. So many students are coming up with the answers. Chalo, quickly. I am waiting. Yes, I am waiting for the answer. Quickly. Yes, many more learners are yet pending to answer me. I am waiting for all the learners. What is the correct sequence via which the sperms are transported to the ejaculatory duct, students, or it is carried towards the ejaculatory duct? Quickly. Yes, students. And I'm going to get the right answer. Yes, yes. I can see many of you coming up with the right answer. Yes. Okay. And I'm going to tell you the right answer is students. Yes. And the right answer is A, students. See, students. Go sequentially. First is scrotum. Yes. Scrotum is nothing but it is a muscular sac-like structure inside which testes is there. Okay? Inside testes the sperm are going to grow in seminiferous tubules. So now these sperms which are formed in seminiferous tubules will be first given to the tube-like structure, complex structure called rete testis. Rete testis will give this first to the efferent duct. Afferent, vasa differentia and efferent is something different, students. This is a tube-like structure coming out from rete. So rete is connected to efferent. Efferent will get connected to the C shape called epididymis, which is outside the testis, you can see. And epididymis will give now to vas deferens. Yes, yeah, correct, students. So see, just in short, I'll tell you. This is the scrotums. Yes, you can see the scrotums on either side, both sides. You can see the epididymis here present, right? This epididymis is connected with the vasa differentia. Before epididymis, you have efferent tube, and then inside that you have rete testis, students. So the sequence is rete, then efferent, then epididymis, and finally it goes to vasa differentia, which is the long tube-like structure which is going to carry the sperm to ejaculatory duct. Yes, student? Yes. Hope the doubts are cleared. Great. Yes, yes, yes. I am happy, Omkar, to see many of us given right answer, but this is the what you can say, the confidence level will boost up you to give more and more right answer. Chalo. So again, I hope you to give the next answer quickly. Come on. For the next question, we'll go. That is proliferative phase of menstrual cycle is called what, students? Yes, quickly. Now we are coming on menstrual cycle in female. Menstrual cycle, you must be aware. Yes, so menstrual cycle lasts for 5 days. Yes, so after 5 days the ovulation period start, and there are the name of the different phases for the ovulation period. And what are those phases named? Quickly, students. Yes, learners. Yes, yes, yes. What is the proliferative phase called by other names, students? Quickly. Yes. Okay, I am coming with the answers. Yes, great. I am getting the right answers from all the students, and I am happy to see yes. And it is follicular phase, because after menstrual cycle, the very beginning stage is the follicles will start developing, students. Then follicles will start giving rise to different layers around the mature egg, and then these layers will start producing LH hormone, that is luteinizing hormone, and which will boost up the last stage called ovulation stage. Yes, students. So before ovulation we need FSH, and after ovulation, or when the egg is mature now to come out, or it is ready to come out of the ovary, we need LH, that is luteinizing hormone. So that phase is called luteal phase, right? Luteal phase actually is the last phase where the fertilizations and all procedure take place. So first phase is follicular or proliferative, then we have secretory, then we have ovulatory, and then we have luteal phase. So this is the sequence of the 4 phases till fertilization process. Yes, and the answer is right. Great. Chalo, we'll move to the next question with the same confidence level. Ovulation occurs under the influence of what, students? Quickly. Yes, ovulation occurs under the influence of which hormone, students? Come on, quickly. Yes, this is the question which we have started. Yes, so ovulation occurs under the influence of which hormone, students? Quickly. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Yes, come up with the answers. Yes, many more students to go with the answers. A few more students are again joining us. New learners are joining us quickly. Yes. Yeah, you can give the answer. Everybody participate so that your confidence level is boosted up. Yes. Yeah. And the right answer is yes. And the right answer is, students, what? Yes, it is the luteinizing hormone, students. Luteinizing hormone, B is the answer. How, students? See, whenever after menstrual cycle, whenever the egg has to get mature, the egg are going to get surround with the follicular phases, that is zona pellucida. Then follicular cells will be there, which is going to shoot up the estrogen, or which is going to secrete the estrogen, you can say, rather, hormone, right? So estrogen is the hormone which is going to come up from the follicular stage. So for the maturation of ovum, you need FSH, and for ovulation you need LH. So how is the process, students? After menstrual cycle, there will be the tremendous demand for FSH, right, by the ovary. So the FSH hormone will be more in number, that is follicular stimulating hormone, which will start forming the follicle around the mature egg, which in turn start secreting estrogen for menstrual cycle, right, students? And after the egg is mature, we don't need FSH anymore. For ovulation, ovulation meaning what? The ovum, now that mature egg or ovum has to come out from the ovary in the fallopian tube. So to bring that out, we need LH hormone, students. That is called luteinizing hormone. So for ovulation, we need LH hormone. For follicular stimulate, or for the formation of the follicle around the mature ovum, we need FSH hormone. Doubts are clear, students? Yes. Yes, the doubts are cleared? Yes. So that is luteinizing hormone is the answer, students. Correct? Why? Because after menstrual cycle, we need one more mature egg for the next cycle, and for that we need the follicles around it. For that we need FSH. Once the egg is mature, now you need a luteinizing hormone, which we say LH hormone, to release that mature egg outside the ovary. Yes, so LH is the right answer for ovulation. Great. Now I have taken some questions which I've already covered, students. Yes, great. So we'll start neat question. Yes, I have taken few previous year questions also for your confidence. Chalo, quickly select the incorrect statement, students. Quickly select the incorrect statement fast. Hope everybody can see the question on the slide. Select the incorrect statement. Which statement is wrong, basically? Yes, fast. Chalo. Which is incorrect statement, students? And I'm sure everybody is going to give the right answer for this question. It is repeated in NEET 2016 and 17, students. So I hope everybody give me the right answer. Yes, students? Yeah. Quickly, answers are coming up. I'm waiting for more learners to give the answers. Yes. I'm waiting for the more learners to give the answer. Yes. And I am getting the right answer from many students. Yes, the learners who have given me the right answer, B. Yes, the answer is B, students. Yes, no C, no, B. B, students. Yes, it is B. Okay, how? I'll tell you, students. Come on, check out for the reason. LH and FSH trigger ovulation. Yes, this is the correct statement, students. Right now, yes, we need FSH, then only we will get a mature egg. We need LH, then only ovulation will take place. What is the meaning of ovulation? When the ovum or the mature egg is ready to come out of the ovary, and once it comes out of the ovary, we give the term it as a ovulation. Meaning the mature egg came out of the ovary and it is ready to get fertilized, or if not fertilized, then it will be degenerated or it will get destroyed in the uterus, and the endometrium will get shed off and the female gets menstrual cycle, right? So yes, LH and FSH triggers ovulation is the correct statement. Then you go for the third that is option. LH triggers secretion of androgen. Androgen is something related with the male hormones. Yes, luteinizing hormone is something related with the male and female hormones, to trigger the male and female hormones. Yes, and in male it is going to trigger Leydig cell, and Leydig cell is nothing but what, students? They are interstitial cell and Sertoli cells, which are going to provide nourishment to the growing sperm inside the testes. So yes, for the the Sertoli cells or Leydig cells are going to provide the nourishment to the sperm. So they need LH hormone again, because it is a luteinizing hormone, right? And last one, yes, FSH stimulates the Sertoli, which help in spermiogenesis. Yes, in male, follicle stimulating hormone, meaning when you are going to get a mature sperm, again same, sperm is going to get mature with some layers, plasma membrane and all, and that you are going to get stimulated by follicle stimulating hormone. So FSH and LH is common for both male and female. But what the second option is saying, student? Yes, second option is LH and FSH decrease gradually during follicular phase, right? So that is incorrect statement. It increases to stimulate something, right, students? So B is incorrect statement. Okay, we will go for the next one. Fertilization in human is practically feasible only if, chalo quickly. Fertilization in human is practically feasible. Feasible matlab possible. You mean to say that the fertilization is practically possible only if. Chalo, quickly come up with the answer. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Stimulate karta hai. Simple. Yes, great. Chalo, come up with the answers. Yeah, fast. Quick, quick. Yes. Students are coming up with the answers. I need more answers to come up. Yes, so many learners are there, so I want everybody to participate in the answer, students. Yes, so chalo fast. When is the fertilization in human practically feasible? You can read the options. Ovum and sperm are transported simultaneously to ampullary ischemic junction. Ovum and sperm are transported simultaneously to of cervix. Sperms are transported into cervix within 48 hours, and the sperms are transported into vagina after release of ovum. Chalo quickly. Fast. Yes, welcome all the new learners again. So many new learners I am getting fast. Yes, and the right answer is yes, correct. And all new learners are giving right answer. Yes, A is the right answer, students. Correct. When the fertilization in human being will take place, simultaneously when egg is also ready, it is there in the ampulla, and at the same time if sperms travels down, that is during ovulation, after ovulation, then it is the good period that will be giving the maximum possibility of fertilization, right? Because after 48 hours or within 72 hours, the shell life of the egg might get disturbed, and there is no there are no higher chances of the fertilization to take place, students. So the feasibility meaning, which is the best period where 99% fertilization is going to take place, when the ovum and sperm simultaneously will arrive at the ampulla and ischemic junction. These both junctions are the part of fallopian tube, students. Great, everybody has given me the right answer, and I am happy to see and you are getting the right explanation for all the questions. Come on, quickly, next one, students, we will go. Chalo, ectopic pregnancy are referred to as. These are all very high weightage questions which I have taken today. Yes, so ectopic pregnancy, if you are aware, start replying. Ectopic pregnancies are referred to as, students. Quickly. Yes, 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 come up with the answer, students. Yes, and I am waiting for the answers. Okay, ectopic pregnancies are referred to as. Yes, according to you, what is the answer? Okay, many of them are telling me the answers, but I'll tell the right answer after coming up the answers from all the learners. So I'm waiting for the learners to give the answers. Everybody will reply me what is the right answer. So students, come on, come up with the answers quick. Yes, yes, I'm getting the right answer from so many students. Don't feel shy to reply. If it is wrong, as it is, I am giving the explanations. If it is correct, your confidence level is boosted up. Yes, yes, I'll tell you the right answer. Yes, many of the learners have given the answers, and shall I confirm the answer? Lock kiya jaye? We say yes, lock kiya jaye. B is the answer, correct. Yes, implantation of embryo at the site other than uterus. You know, after fertilization, there is a stages called morula and blastocyst stage. Right? So blastocyst or trophoblast, which you say, that is the morula or the group of cells which comes in the uterus, and there the division of cell take place, and in the endometrium wall in the uterus, the embryo is going to implant itself for the further 9 months. So any other site apart from uterus, it gets implanted, and that is said to be ectopic pregnancy, students, and that is dangerous. It can give some abnormalities, it can be dangerous for the mother or for the child, anything, right? So ectopic meaning what? It is away from the uterus, like where the exact location is there. Apart from that, if it is getting located some other place, it is called ectopic pregnancy, students. Yes, great. Chalo, we'll move for the next question. Which of the following layers in an antral follicle is acellular, students? Yes, yes, and the answers are, chalo quickly, which of the following layer is an antral follicle is acellular? Meaning a mature ovum is going to have a layers. You have vitelline membranous, zona pellucida, you have corona radiata, so many layers are there. So from this layer, which layer is acellular, meaning which is the layer which does not contain any cells. Like other may be made up of epithelium cells, some are made up of from you can say Graafian follicular cells. So which is the layer which you cannot see any cells there? Yes, students, come up with the answers quickly. Yes, fast. I am waiting for the learners to give the answers quick. What is the right answer? Try to hit the right answer fast. Yes, and the right answer is, quickly students, mind blowing. And the students have given me the right answer. Yes, shall I declare the answer or more learners have to give the answers? Yes. Yes, Suhasini, welcome. Yes. Someshwari, welcome. Yeah, good morning, everybody. Yes, and the right answer is zona pellucida. This is the only layer. See, this is the mature ovum which is going to have its nucleus, right? This is vitelline membrane or vitelline membrane. This is something you can see zona pellucida, and this you can see corona radiata, right? Corona radiata is something which radiations show. So zona pellucida is the one which does not contain any cell, no cell. So it is called acellular, right, students? Great. Lock किया जाए. Correct. चलो next question quickly. In human female, meiosis 2 is not completed until. Quickly students. And I am waiting for the right answer. पहले तो आप लोग क्या करो, wrong वाले discard करो students and then hit it at the right answer. Yes, fast. Come up with the answers. In human female, meiosis 2 is not completed until. Fast. Okay. Come up with the answers quickly. Now I'll twist the question. Those who have answered me, please put it in comment box why the answer is B. Fast. Why the answer is B? Quickly. Who can give me the answer? Fast. Why the answer is B? Who can give me the answer in the comment box? Yes. Fast. Yes, quickly, simple, but why? Why the B is the answer? Quickly put it in the comment box. What is the answer? Yes, students, why B is the answer? B is right. But why it is right, students? What is the reason behind that? Polar body, not that. Polar body as it is not going to participate. It is present here, but it is going to get degenerated. So as it is, one will degenerate and one will be there. So for fertilization, why it is answered? Because gamete, these are the gamete, students. So ovum and egg is the gamete. So already they have completed their meiosis 1 stage. So when they will fuse with each other, but obviously they are going to show the further daughter cells, right? Further division, and you need further division of meiosis 2 only after fertilization. So the reason is meiosis take place after fertilization because gametes are already formed, which is from the meiosis 1. So the further procedure for meiosis 2 is but obvious fertilization, students. Yes, great. Chalo, quickly. And we are going to move for the last questions, that is, yes, the shared terminal duct of reproductive and urinary system in human male, meaning which is the duct common for both reproductive male system and urinary system for male. Quickly, come up with the answers, very easy. Yes, and I am waiting for the answers. Fast to come. Yes. Which of this organ or which is the part of the male reproductive system which is common for the urinary system and also as it is included under reproductive system? Chalo, quickly. Yes, students, and I am going to get the right answer fast. Which is the common for both reproductive and urinary system in male? Very easy. Come up with the answers fast. I am waiting for all the learners to answer. Yes. Come up with the answers quickly. Fast. I am waiting for more answers to come. Yes, students. Yeah, great. Maximum students are coming up with the answers. Still, many of them are remaining. Yes. So, come up with the answers. Come on, all the students. Chalo, fast. It is very easy. Please try to answer it. Which is the common duct for both reproductive and urinary system for male? Yes. And the right answer is urethra. Right, students? See, there is a penis. Yes. A penis is running 20 centimeter long if you take. Yes. The penis is also having in between a urethra, students. So the whatever the length of the penis, it will be the urethra, students. It is considered urethra is 20 centimeter long depending on the size of penis, and it is small in female. So penis and what you can say, penis and urethra are the same, students, for male. Yes, correct. Okay, so this is nothing but what? Urethra, students. So this is the common passage for sperms and urine. Chalo, next one. The main function of mammalian corpus luteum is to produce. Quickly. Yes. Chalo, fast, students. The main function of mammalian corpus luteum is to produce. Fast. Now this is something related with the ovary, you can say. Yes, where you can see corpus luteum. Quickly, students. What is the main use of corpus luteum? Fast. Everybody will come up with the answers. Yes, Someshwari, I am going to tell you now about my Telegram channel. There I can share you the PDFs. Yes. What is the answer? Yes. And you can also see my recordings after, like this will be what you say, this lectures will be there on YouTube after my live session. So you can also go there and you can download, right? You will be having, I think, option download there. So you can download and you can see, or you can share, or I can share you this on Telegram instead. Yes, so right answer is B. Correct, students. Yes, B's. That is, you have two, corpus luteum and corpus albicans, right, students? Yes, so corpus luteum is one. If the fertilization takes place, then corpus luteum, from graphene follicle you are going to get corpus luteum, which will hit up the progesterone level to maintain pregnancy. Okay, students? And if no fertilization, this corpus luteum, that is graphene follicle, or this corpus luteum will get converted into, or if the progesterone falls off, it will get converted into albican, that is white, what you can say, whitish dead body. So that is the dead body, in short, you can say, no use of it, right? Yes. Great. Yes. Correct. Endometrium decellularization. Correct. So this is okay. Yes, we can take Suhasini. Already few topics I am taking on what you can say, Unacademy platform. So you can join me there, students, for the further lectures, you can say. So this is something information for my all the new learner students. Ki this is my ID on Telegram, that is Biology Swati Pawar, that is special course. Yes, you can see this is my ID. You can put on Telegram link and you can search by this ID and you can join me on Telegram for further more informations or updates about my further lectures on YouTube, then on Unacademy. Yes, this is why Unacademy I am taking on YouTube and also on Unacademy channel. So all you new learners, you can just simply download Unacademy learning app if you don't have from Play Store, and you can get subscriptions for my course, and you can attend our free classes. You can attend our paid, that is batch and plus classes, where we take detailed concept studies for the learners of 2020 and 21. So everybody, the detailed information is given in the description box. Everybody can go through. So I hope everybody can join me. Yes, me Marathi ahe. Yes, me Marathi ahe. But on the social sites I take in English, Hindi, and do sometime if you don't understand, I can explain it to you in Marathi on Unacademy platform. But why we take in English? Because it gives the broad understanding of the question, student. Because if we speak in Hindi Marathi, then you won't understand in English. Yes, I am Marathi. Yeah. So I speak Marathi. Okay, so here is that was the link of my you can say this is the link of my Telegram, students. So I hope after this lecture all the new learners will join me on Telegram at this to get my updates of all the, I am running many batches on Unacademy. All the educators are taking so many high weightage topics in depth with MCQ mock test and quizzes. So hope to see you there. Join us in the journey of learning. Now my upcoming YouTube session will also be updated on Telegram, and my all the sessions which are already going on Unacademy platform, you can come and join us live. So simply you can take the subscription, and the offer ends today till 15th. This is the last offer, right? $7.99. The course will get extra, will take a hike, right? So this is for complete 1 month. You can enjoy the unlimited journey for all 4 PCMB subject students with us. You can take the knowledge from all the educators unlimited on Unacademy platform. So you can go through all the details in the description box, and if you have any query, please put up me on Telegram. I am there to solve the queries on Telegram. I can get connected after the lecture on Telegram. Yes, students. So happy to see you. Yes, Jai Maharashtra. Yes to everybody. Stay home, stay safe. Happy to see you all. So keep learning with us. We'll be meeting with some more interesting questions and other topic in the next YouTube session. Till that, we will be meeting on Unacademy platform for other topics which we are already running there. Yes, so we are coming up with many new courses there to help the learners to achieve their goals. So stay home, stay safe. Good day. Bye. I'll end up my session. Yes, students. Yeah, happy to see you. If you have any doubts, students, you can just simply get connected with me on YouTube. Yes, great, students. Yeah, thank you so much, students. Bye.